All right, so this is the basement. You can see it wasn't done right. Until this guy's sliding down a little bit too. You can see the gap from how far away it is from the floor. There's not a single adverse factor that should make you be like, oh no, I'm not gonna buy this place. It's, can you account for that adverse factor? Does the property still pencil out, you know? And that's one of the things that we're gonna have to figure out, is if it's still gonna pencil out. Hello, how are you guys today? Joe Perez from Flipping Unleashed. So today we're in a city called Eagle Rock, which is probably about 10-15 minutes east of downtown LA. If you remember one of my other projects, the one with the really nice view out in Mount Washington, well, this is only about 4 or 5 miles. So I just put an offer and it got accepted. So I'm doing my initial inspection, not my final inspection, but today I'm here with my contractor. So we're getting an idea how everything's gonna come out, okay? So come on in, enjoy the walkthrough. Let's take a look at it and see what the potential is with the place, all right? All right, so we got the green door. Hopefully that's a sign that I'm gonna make money on the place since the door is green, right? Well, the first thing is this has gotta go. What's on the other side? We gotta open this up, make it look big. And then I can't tell what the heck, but it's a fireplace, but that looks kind of weird, like they bricked it up. That's strange. So this is a closet. And it's probably, what's on the other side here? Stairs. Here are the stairs. So here is the kitchen. We definitely gotta widen this kitchen up. Actually, the kitchen's got great potential. I haven't seen one of these phones in a while. Wow, interesting, good. And this is not brick. Take this out. Obviously, we're gonna gut this out. I don't know what's behind here. We're gonna, oh yeah, it looks like there's something back there. Because I'd love to be able to push that back. And you know, I should be able to because this cabinet goes back that far. What's on the other side of this? No, it doesn't open. Well, let's see. The oven goes back that far. So yeah, I should be able to get rid of this, make it one big square room. Couple little foundation issues I can feel. That's okay. That's to be expected. The home kind of slants down. That's to be expected. You know, these homes are 50, 60 years old, and I don't know if you guys know, Southern California, we get all kinds of seismic activity. So there's always a bunch of natural shifting, and even if you only get 1/8 of an inch a year, or you know, 1/16 of an inch a year, whatever, you know, 50, 60, 70, 80 years later, it adds up. And so, but that's okay. You get underneath, if we have to, we jack the home up a little bit and level it all out, put some posts and piers and things like that. We'll get it fixed. Oh wow, this is a big surprise. This is a really big shower, it's just a small bathroom. But yeah, we'll redo all that. You know, it's funny because usually it's the other way around. Usually I'm trying to find ways to make bathrooms bigger and the showers bigger. This one, I might have to do the opposite. Make it a little bit smaller because this is too small over here. So this looks like it's a washing machine room, but maybe it wasn't originally a washing machine room. I don't know if this is supposed to be a pantry or a closet. I'd probably want to knock. Well, no, I got the bathroom. I can't lose the bathroom. This thing's gotta look open and airy. And I'm limited to what I can and can't knock down. Because I have a bathroom on this side, so I can't go back further this way. Definitely would get rid of this though. Maybe if we just get rid of this and this piece, it'll make it all look pretty big right here. Get rid of this piece of this wall, because the thing is, you want to make it look big. Yeah, you see, I don't like this small little corridor. I'm gonna get rid of that. I want it to be big. So, all right, interesting closet. Old school closets. Well, you got a bit of a view here. What I wouldn't pay to get rid of those trees right there. You got a bit of a view. Okay, here's your other bedroom, so let's see. Now, you know, this guy, I might want to open it up and get some more windows over here, because that's a decent looking view, I think. There's something there. You see a lot of rooftop, but you can still see the hills, and hoping at night on that freeway, those cars will give you a chance to see some of the lights. What's this? So there's one closet. So this room really has a lot of closet space, a lot. So far upstairs I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms, and then I think we have 1 bathroom. That's kind of strange. You got 4 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. Actually, no, 2 baths. You have 1 bath kind of in the kitchen area, and then 1 for the entire 2nd floor. I don't know if that's gonna work. I think we're gonna have to convert one of these rooms into a master. So you got a 1-car garage, which I'm probably gonna convert this over to like a 2nd unit. They call them an ADU, an additional dwelling unit, and probably build this thing out all the way across. I don't know, this looks like it's maybe 15 feet. It's actually wider than I thought it would be for a 1-car. Living space out here is at a premium. In other words, if you can convert this stuff with permits to living space, people would love to put like family in here or even rent it out. You'd be surprised what you can get out here. Rental values are very high in this area. And the roof looks okay too. So I would probably bring my unit out further, 600 square feet. I'd probably bring it out to about halfway over here. I could probably 600 square feet from here over. That'd be actually more than 600. I could probably make it like a 2-bedroom, 2-bath additional unit. So this home will like eventually be like a duplex. You got the primary home and then the secondary home. And the reason why it'd be a duplex is because this one will probably be separately metered, which makes it like its own standalone structure. It might even have its own address. Usually what they'll do is out here, they'll add half. So if the front house is 4906, say for example Peyton Street, then the back will be 4906 and a half Peyton Street. All right, so this is the basement. It's important to see what kind of work they did on the foundation. Look, you see that? See the crack? That's a structural beam. You can see the crack. You can see that sap, the bleeding. It's from, they tried to reinforce it on this side. There's a lot of work to level off this place. So although they've reinforced the foundation, there's still a lot of things that need to be additionally reinforced and leveled off. And you can see here they tried to reinforce it. You can see all the termites too, all the termite damage. And some of it, like you see wasn't done right. It's a big house, heavy house. Yeah, you can kind of tell this guy's sliding down a little bit too. You can see the gap from how far away it is from the floor. You can see it gets smaller and smaller over here. Matter of fact, yeah, so, but you know, that's what happens with these homes. They're old and it's just a lot of weight and a lot of seismic movement over the years. Everything's fixable, there's no doubt about that. The question is does it pencil out? There's not a single adverse factor that should make you be like, oh no, I'm not gonna buy this place. It's, can you account for that adverse factor? Does the property still pencil out, you know? And that's one of the things that we're gonna have to figure out is if it's still gonna pencil out. And so listen, we just finished talking to the contractor. He did a pretty good walkthrough. He got underneath the crawl space, got underneath the house. You know, our biggest concern is certain things we don't worry about. They're like fixed costs. We know about painting and flooring and kitchen cabinets. The things that we really worry about here are like structural things, especially like foundation. Because like I said, you get so much seismic movement, you know? And if you look, that's a pretty big structure and it's a 2-story house, you know? And two-story houses, they're much harder to fix the foundations than a one-story because of all that weight. And this home has had a ton of weight over the years that's caused it to sink. We see all kinds of evidence that the home is sinking. So all this stuff needs to be reinforced. And we were under the belief that some foundation work had been done on the property. Well, we're not really too pleased with what was done. So now it's going to come down to my contractor and I, we're going to talk later on. We're going to pencil out some numbers, get an idea of what the rehab costs or the carrying costs, closing costs, just the whole thing, and see if it pencils out. So the point is, not every deal you look at, everything ends up being a deal. Everything's got to like pencil out. And so far, I'm not sure. But stay tuned. I'll let you know if it doesn't work, and if it does or doesn't work, either way, I'll let you know why. All right? So stay tuned, but just wanted to give you guys an idea of this is part of what it's like. Spend a lot of time out in the field checking out property. All right? Anyway, so you guys enjoy yourself today.